per hour with gusts of... Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harrison County in east central Ohio, northeastern Jersey County in east central Ohio, northwestern Belmont County in east central Ohio, southeastern Tuscaloosa County in east central Ohio, until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Freeport, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include St. Clairsville.
Not sure why this isn't a tornado warning.
Antrim, Flushing, Attica, Belmont, Holloway, New Athens, Morristown, and Harrisville. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscaloosa, Ohio.
Not sure why this isn't a tornado warning.